Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is G. Varun, pursuing my education in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today in this video, we will discuss about ER diagram for payroll management. Let's dive into the topic. Introduction to ER diagram for payroll management. Any entity relationship diagram is a visual representation of the data model that describes the relationships between entities in a system. It is a powerful tool for designing databases and understanding the structure of complex systems. In the context of payroll management, an ER diagram can help in visualizing how different entities such as employees, departments, and salaries are related. Entities in payroll management system. The main entities in payroll management system typically include employees, departments, salaries, and deductions. Employees are usually the central entity in the system, which attributes such as employee ID, name, position, and salary. Departments represents the various departments within an organization, each with attributes like department ID and name. Relationships in payroll management system. Relationships in a payroll management system can include the following. An employee belongs to the department, an employee has one or multiple salaries, and an employee may have various deductions. These relationships help in defining how different entities interact with each other within the system. Understanding these relationships is crucial for designing an effective payroll management system. ER diagram components. An ER diagram consists of entities, attributes, relationships, and cardinality. Entities are represented as rectangles, attributes as ovals, relationships as diamonds, and cardinality as lines. Cardinality indicates the number of instances of one entity that can be associated with the number of instances of another entity. Next, we will discuss about designing the ER diagram for payroll management. To design an ER diagram for payroll management, start by identifying the main entities and their attributes. Next, determine the relationships between these entities and define the cardinality of each relationship. Consider the business rules and requirements of the payroll system to create a comprehensive ER diagram. Examples of an ER diagram for payroll management. An example ER diagram for payroll management may include entities like employee, department, salary, and deduction. The employee entity may have attributes such as employee ID, name, position, and department ID. Relationships between these entities can be defined based on how they are related to the payroll system. Entities employee in payroll management. The employee entity is central to the payroll management system and contains essential attributes for each employee. These attributes can include employee ID, name, position, department ID, and date of hire. Employee entities are linked to other entities such as department, salary, and deduction through relationship. Department entities in payroll management. The department entities represents the various departments within an organization. Attributes of department entity can include department ID, name, location, and manager ID. Each employee is typically associated with a specific department through a relationship defined in the ER diagram. Salary entity in payroll management. The salary entity stores information about the salaries of employees. Attributes of salary entity may include salary ID, employee ID, amount, start date, and end date. Employees can have multiple salary records over time, which are captured in the salary entity. Deduction entity in payroll management. The deduction entity records deduction from employees' salaries such as taxes, insurance, premiums, and retirement contributions. Attributes of the deduction entity can include deduction ID, employee ID, type, amount, and frequency. Deductions are linked to employee records through relationships in the ER diagram. Relationships in ER diagram. Relationships in ER diagram defines how entities are connected to each other. For example, The relationship between employee and department entities indicates that an employee belongs to a specific department. Understanding and properly defining these relationships is crucial for the accurate representation of payroll management system. Cardinality in ER diagram. Cardinality in ER diagram specifies the number of instances of an entity that can be associated with the number of instances of another entity. For instance, a many-to-many relationship between employees and salary entities means that an employee can have multiple salary records. Cardinality constraints helps in enforcing data integrity and enforcing accurate data representation in the system. Constants in ER diagram. Constants in the ER diagrams are rules that restricts the data that can be stored in the database. Examples of constants include primary key constants, foreign key constants, and unique constants. By defining constants in the ER diagram, we can ensure data consistency and integrity in the payroll management system. Implementing the ER diagram in the database. Once the ER diagram for the payroll management system is designed, it can be implemented in a database using SQL scripts. Tables corresponding to each entity are created with columns representing the attributes of the entity. Relationships between entities are established using foreign key constants in the database schema. Querying data from payroll database. With the ER diagram implementing in the database, users can query data using SQL statements. Queries can retrieve information such as employee details, salary records, deductions, and department information. By writing efficient queries, users can extract meaningful insights from the payroll database. Maintaining the payroll system. Regular maintenance of payroll system is essential to ensure data accuracy and system performance. Tasks such as updating employee information, processing payroll calculation, and generating reports should be performed regularly. Monitoring the systems for any anomalies or errors and addressing them promptly is crucial for the smooth operation of the payroll system. Data security in payroll management. Data security is paramount in payroll management to protect sensitive employee information. Access control mechanism should be implemented to restrict unauthorized access to a payroll database. Encryption techniques can be used to safeguard data in and a rest, ensuring confidentiality and integrity of payroll data. Scalability and performance in payroll management. As an organization grows, the payroll management system must be scalable to accommodate an increasing number of employees and transactions. Performing optimization techniques such as indexing, querying optimization, and database tuning can improve the system's responsiveness. Regular performance monitoring and turning an essential into ensure the payroll system can handle the workload effectively. Integration with other systems. Integration of payroll management system with other systems such as HR management, accounting, and time cracking can streamline business processes. Data exchange mechanisms like APIs and data pipelines can facilitate seamless integration between systems. By integrating payroll management with other systems, organizing can achieve greater efficiency and accuracy in managing employee compensation. Finally, we can conclude that the IR diagram is a valuable tool for designing and understanding the structure of the payroll management system. By visualizing entities, relationships, and cardinality in ER diagram, stakeholder can gain insights into how data is organized and interconnected with the system. Proper design, implementation, and maintenance of ER diagram are crucial for an effective operation of payroll management system. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.